students, let us learn Science Class 7, Lesson number 5, Acids, Bases and Salt. Today's topic is topic 5.3, Neutralization. Neutralization, that means children, no substance is neither acidic nor basic. See, when an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solutions neutralize the effect of each other. So we have to add acid and base in proper proportion so that both of the substances will lose their own property and will become neutralized. So whenever neutralization process is done, a new substance, that is salt, is produced. That is, in neutralization reaction, a new substance, salt, is formed and heat is produced. So whenever acid and base get mixed, and if we try to touch the test tube, clearly we can feel some hotness, that means heat is produced, and the remaining substance, that is the new substance formed, is its property is salt property. That means it is not a acidic substance, and even though it is not a basic substance. Now let us see the how it forms. Here it is, its formula is given: acid plus base, it gives salt plus water, and heat is evolved. So taking one example, let us explain. Example is HCl, that means hydrochloric acid, plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide. This is acid, this is base. Now the process is, when the process is done, NaCl, that means Na plus Cl, Na plus Cl, that means NaCl, that means salt. Salt is produced. Now which one substances are left? OH, OH, that means twice H, and O is remaining substance, that means H2O. So the equation is hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide is gives sodium chloride plus water, and also heat is evolved. Now this neutralization process is used in our daily life. Let us see. Point number 5.4, topic number 5.4 is given: neutralization in everyday life. So neutralization process, we are taking this process during our day-to-day life. So some of the examples are given. The first one is given: indigestion. Indigestion, that means when we suffer problem of indigestion. You know children that in our stomach hydrochloric acid is produced, and which help to digest the food items. So when sometimes it happens that hydrochloric acid amount is higher than the normal amount, it becomes excess. So excess of hydrochloric acid. So when this happens, our stomach feels acidic feeling. So to neutralize it, milk of magnesia is a base, that is, as a medicine it can be taken. So it will neutralize the effect of hydrochloric acid, so we can get relief from acidity. Same way the second example is ant bite. हमें पता है कि जब चींटी हमें बाइट करती है तो हमें थोड़ी वहाँ पे जलन होती है. So actually when ant bites, its sting contains formic acid. That means in our skin it injects formic acid. So it is acid. To neutralize the effect of formic acid, either we can rub calamine lotion over it, और वी कैन रब बेकिंग सोडा, बेकिंग सोडा को थोड़ा डाइल्यूट करें, उसका पेस्ट बनाए, देन वी कैन रब ऑन एंड स्टीम, सो वी कैन गेट रिलीफ थ्रू इट. Next one is soil treatment. Mainly farmers are using this treatment. That means sometimes what happens, sometimes soil becomes too acidic or sometimes soil become too basic. So when it is acidic, so to neutralize the effect of acidic soil, some base substances can be added to it. So when it is acidic, two base substances, that is quicklime और इसे हम कहेंगे कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज स्लैगलाइन और कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, जो हम जिसे हम चूना भी कहेंगे. सो दैट ऑल्सो कैन बी एडेड इन द सॉइल, सो विच न्यूट्रलाइज द एसिडिक इफेक्ट एंड सॉइल बिकम मोर फर्टाइल. सेम वे, if the nature of soil is basic, so naturally we need to add some acidic components into it. So mainly that is there are organic matters can be used, that is manure or compost. So manure or compost is the substance which release acid into the soil, so that the basic substance, basic nature of the soil will be neutralized. Now factory waste, one more thing. We know that children, so many factories throw their waste in the water bodies. So most of the factory waste is acidic in nature. So if we throw as it is, if we throw in water bodies, naturally the water will become contaminated, and some water creatures, water animals or water life survive in it may be in danger. So before throwing factory waste in the water bodies, it need to neutralize. So whenever factory waste has to throw in water body, before it have to add basic substances into it and neutralize the water, and then after it is desirable to throw this factory waste in other water bodies. So it is all children, all the chapter has explained in the 3 different videos. Also 3 different videos are there which has 3 practicals, so you can see that practicals on your screen. But make good habit to read the lesson properly, which will help you to understand the video properly. Thank you.